Hi, my name is Nilesh Shah, also known as Neil Shah. Currently, I'm working with organization called Pistali Realty Group in Astoria, Queens, and my position with Pistali Group is a CFO. I started working with Pistali Group on December 19th, 2022, and I love working with this organization. So we have been working with Adam Lidman Bailey firm for the long time. In the past, Adam himself handled many cases for us. The one particular I remember was a commercial client for us called G-Star, who went bankrupt in 2021, and Adam and his team helped us out recovering, the rental losses from him filing the bankruptcy. And it was great working with Adam at that time. We heard a lot of good things about Adam, his dedication to the work and the cases in the past. Also, the ownership where I worked before had a relationship, and the owner of the company from Monarch Realty Holdings decided to hire him for highly complicated cases. And GStar was one of them. With Adam, I had provided him all the backups, supporting documents to go after our bankrupt tenant called G-Star, such as escalation or proration of rent, property taxes, common charges, etc., etc. Well, Adam was a great help for us, and he did talk to the bankruptcy attorney for the G-Star, and he negotiated a dollar amount, and we were able to achieve a lot of money by hiring Adam, and it was a great success. So the team itself and Adam is knowledgeable in the landlord-tenant industries, and Adam himself has worked on different cases in the past, and he's able to get a result in landlord's favor. All the attorneys, I believe that they are here for a long time, and they are all well experienced in their field. It can be a landlord legal, it can be a trust, it can be a formation of LLC or litigation. They all have a good knowledge of different industries. The service is excellent. We had no issue picking up the phone, and every time we pick up the phone, the answer was right there. But it was great working with Adam Lidman Bailey, and especially with Adam. As I mentioned earlier, that G-Star was one of the company who was doing online merchandise to the consumers, like online shopping. When the COVID hit, they just gave us a notice like from nowhere saying that they are vacating the place in Soho, and they are filing for the bankruptcy. That was the case which we found ourselves was very complicated. Adam stepped forward and he said, "Don't worry about it. We'll get the result, and it will be in the landlord's favor," which happened. We got the money, and we are still getting money. I did not work on other cases myself on one-on-one basis, but yeah, we our other employees from my office, Monarch Realty Holdings, they worked on non-payment, commercial tenants falling behind. Actually, we have one case going on right now with Columbia University. I don't think Adam is involved with that case, but somebody from ALB is working on that case, and she's fantastic. All the attorneys, in ALB are good, and they are expert in what they do. And like as I said, dedication, result-oriented, and they are there when we need them. No matter what, they will answer whatever questions we might have. They won't think that any questions are silly questions. They will say, "Okay, bring it on, and we'll get you the results." Weaknesses, yeah, you guys are hardworking. That is your weaknesses. I would say that I would highly recommend ALB for any landlord legal cases, whether it's chasing the tenant, for money because of filing the bankruptcy, or non-paying the rents, or common charges or property taxes, you name it, and they will go after them and they will get the results.